Well, hello everyone. I hope you all are having a great day today. Welcome to this video of Indiology. Yes, it's Indiology now and no more Shedshasuri gaming. Hashtag boycott China. Okay friends, so let me tell you, in this video, I'm gonna tell about the most common and the most importantly used Chinese app that can be easily found in every second person's or in fact in every person's smartphone. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Xander, Cam Scanner, AppLock, brother, don't know what China has made. Let's start one by one and we are gonna talk about the important app first. First one, UC browser. It is an internet browser and I have seen it in many smartphones of many people. But I still don't know why people use it UC browser. I think there is a system of collecting coins in UC browser for which people are using it. But browsers which are better than UC browser are available in the market, among which Google Chrome is the best. It has simple user interface, less cluster, more feature. I have always been using it. You can also try Opera Mini for fast browsing. They are not Indian browsers of course, but Indian browsers are not so optimized enough. And one is TikTok. Well, we all know about this shit. You must have heard that India has developed its own TikTok-like application called Metro, but this is not true. It is the talk of the town that it is an Indian application, but its source code belongs to Pakistan. Definitely, I am not gonna advise you to use this app, but yeah, you can use Dove Smash. Classic Dove Smash is funny too, but when it comes to TikTok, you must uninstall it. Another application is Xender or ShareIt. We use this application to share data between cell phones without the internet. It is a very useful application. I have been using it since very long though. Its alternative application is called ShareAll, which is an Indian application. Its icon is quite similar to ShareIt. ShareAll is developed by Indian company known as Quantum for You. Another application is called Files, which is developed by the Google. It is a junk cleaning application which is used to clean junk files of your phone or cell phone. Plus, it also provides file sharing facilities similar or same as Xender or ShareIt. Now we are gonna talk about another Chinese application called CamScanner. As we all know, CamScanner is also a Chinese app. It is a very useful application if you want to save your important document inside your phone. It is mostly used for document scanning. Its best alternative is Adobe Scan. Well, Adobe Scan is a very high quality camera scanning application and you must try Adobe Scan in place of CamScanner. Now we will talk about another application, not an application though actually, but it's a game. This game listen carefully, this game generates 60 times more profit than all the apps that we have covered so far. Can you imagine 60 times more profit? Yeah, I am talking about PUBG Mobile. Well, those guys who says that PUBG Mobile is not a Chinese app, I want them to know that it's a Chinese app indeed. Definitely it's a Chinese app and only PUBG PC belongs to South Korea. All the income of PUBG Mobile goes to China. Well, brother, you can try Fortnite instead of PUBG, but hardcore players of PUBG will not try this game because I know it's hard to quit PUBG, but I feel proud about myself that I don't play PUBG anymore. And there will be a no replacement now or till now of PUBG Mobile because PUBG Mobile is such a legendary game. Next one is AppLock. Well, this application comes from Hong Kong, China. You must have seen this application in Play Store whenever you search AppLock. We can lock our application through password with the help of AppLock. Its best alternative is Norton AppLock. You can use Norton AppLock application. Its features are similar or better than AppLock. It provides better safety and privacy policy in comparison to AppLock and it do not belong to China. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, but if you really did, please smash that like button and share this video with your friends, colleagues and mates, and don't forget to subscribe for more such futuristic content. Thank you.